Yo, this is Stonefire 26.
And Insane Beast 26.
And we are doing a gun review on the Beretta 92FS spring-powered airsoft pistol. You can get it at Dick's, maybe Walmart, not sure, but I like how real it looks. And over here you have your safety, the on or off, so you can't press that all the way back. And then when it's on that, you can do it the rest of the way back. Here you have your magazine, which it's not very loud, so you just press that to get your magazine out. So, anything you would like to add?
It's also a 12-round drop-free magazine.
And some of the features are spring-powered, has a metal barrel. It goes 260 FPS, and it is 8.5 inches long. Now let's load this up and do some test shooting with this.
They're also 12-gram BBs.
Yep. Okay, I have this loaded. Well, I have all the BBs in there, and I'm going to shoot it now. So let's put it in here. Let's get ready to shoot. And we're going to be using that as our target. This has been a review of the Beretta 92FS spring-powered airsoft pistol with Stonefire 26 and
Insane Beast 26.